Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter lag in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, check your Twitter update. So firstly open Play Store and then search here Twitter like X, and then here you can check your Twitter updates. Now firstly update your Twitter. After update your Twitter, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the Twitter app, like click on it and then click on storage and use it. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Twitter. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and here enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all the data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.